Welcome to our channel, the best shortwave radios in 2025. Whether you're a radio enthusiast, prepper, or traveler, we've got you covered with the top models for performance, range, and reliability. From compact designs to advanced features, these radios deliver wherever you are. Stay tuned as we break down the best options this year. Links in the description to check prices and availability. Let's get started with our countdown. Number 5. The C. Crane CC Skywave 2 is a compact, powerful, and feature-packed portable radio that stands out as one of the best travel companions and emergency tools available in 2025. Despite its small size, 4.75, 3, and 1.1, it delivers exceptional performance across AM, FM, shortwave, NOAA weather plus alert, and even the VHF aviation band, making it perfect for both global travelers and emergency preparedness. The reception quality is impressive, with digitally tuned multi-band reception, multiple bandwidth settings, and fast or fine-tuning options, allowing users to pick up even faint stations clearly. With 400 memory presets, auto-scan, and direct frequency entry, navigating the bands is easy and efficient. The built-in clock, alarm, and lighted LCD enhance its usability, while the rotary knobs for volume and tuning give it a tactile, user-friendly edge. A standout feature is the external shortwave antenna jack, which significantly boosts reception with a dedicated antenna. Users consistently praise this feature, especially those who travel internationally. One user even reported excellent reception across 38 countries during a global cruise. Its lightweight battery-powered design runs on 2 TECHATOP batteries, offers up to 70 hours of listening time, making it highly portable and reliable during power outages or off-grid use. Included accessories like the carry case and CC Buds earphones add value and convenience. Overall, the CC Skywave 2 delivers exceptional audio, sensitivity, and durability in a sleek package ideal for radio enthusiasts, frequent travelers, and emergency kits alike. Number 4. The Eton Elite Executive is a high-performance portable radio that delivers exceptional coverage and clarity for serious radio enthusiasts. Designed to receive AM, FM, Longwave, Shortwave, SW, and even single sideband SSB. This compact radio offers a versatile listening experience whether you're at home or traveling. One of its standout features is its PLL synthesized digital dual conversion technology, which ensures precise and stable tuning. The addition of synchronous tuning significantly reduces fading and distortion, resulting in crystal clear audio, even on weaker signals. This is especially valuable for those who rely on shortwave and SSB broadcasts, such as amateur radio, maritime, and aeronautical signals, which the Elite Executive handles with impressive accuracy. With 700 programmable station presets, customizable bandwidth filters, and direct keypad frequency entry, this radio gives users full control over their listening experience. It also includes a digital clock, alarm, and sleep timer, adding to its functionality for daily use. The Elite Executive is not just feature-rich, but also elegantly designed. It comes with a vegan leather protective case, making it ideal for travel. Power options include an AC adapter included or AA batteries not included, giving users flexibility on the go. User feedback consistently highlights its superior reception, refined construction, and ease of use. One reviewer noted that the build quality exceeded expectations and that it arrived ahead of schedule, always a plus. In summary, the Eton Elite Executive offers premium performance, global connectivity, and stylish portability, making it a top-tier shortwave radio for 2025. Number 3. The Tecsun PL880 is a feature-rich, high-performance portable radio that stands out among serious radio enthusiasts and shortwave listeners. With its PLL synthesized digital dual conversion receiver, the PL880 delivers exceptional sensitivity and selectivity, ensuring crystal clear reception across AM, FM, Longwave, and Shortwave bands, including single sideband SSB. One of its key strengths is its fine-tuning capability, with a 10 Hz tuning step on SSB, which is ideal for listening to amateur radio, military communications, and maritime broadcasts. It offers 4 and 5 selectable bandwidth filters for AM and SSB respectively, allowing you to adjust clarity and minimize interference based on the signal conditions. The PL880 includes a high-capacity Li-ion rechargeable battery, which is a standout feature for extended use without frequent replacements. Users also benefit from the included 20-foot wire antenna, which greatly improves reception, especially when used outdoors and away from electronic interference. Reviewers note significantly better performance when distancing the radio from switching power supplies. Audio quality is impressive, with FM stereo sound shining through earphones or external amplifiers via the line-out jack. The built-in alarm clock and sleep timer, up to 120 minutes, make it a practical bedside companion as well. Compact and modern in design, the Tecsun PL880 is highly portable and perfect for travel, off-grid use, or serious hobbyist listening. Overall, this radio offers professional-grade performance in a user-friendly, compact package, making it a top choice for 2025. Number 2. The Tecsun H501 is a premium digital worldband radio that delivers an impressive mix of performance, audio quality, and feature versatility, making it an excellent choice for serious radio listeners in 2025. Supporting AM, FM, Longwave, Shortwave, and SSB single-side band reception, this modern device also doubles as an MP3 player, compatible with FLAC, WAV, AP, WMA, and MP3 formats, via the included 16GB SanDisk microSD card. Built with analog high IF-AM circuitry, triple conversion IF, and modern DSP digital demodulation, the H501 offers exceptional sensitivity, selectivity, and anti-interference performance across all bands. Synchronous detection further enhances audio clarity, even on weak signals. Sound quality is where this radio truly shines. Equipped with dual 3W full-range speakers and a Class AB amplifier, it delivers rich, dynamic, and distortion-free audio that can easily fill a room. Treble and bass controls allow users to tailor the sound to their liking, and a 3.5mm headphone jack is included for private listening. Additional highlights include a USB audio input, external antenna support, audio out, alarm with snooze, sleep timer up to 120 minutes, and an incredible 3,150 memory presets. The keylock function prevents accidental changes, perfect for travel or casual use. User reviews have praised the H501's strong reception, especially for ham operators and distant stations, even with just the included whip antenna. Battery performance is solid and improves over time with charging cycles. Overall, the Tecsun H501 is a sophisticated, high-fidelity radio built for global listening and immersive sound. Number 1. The CHOYONG LC90. Portable digital internet radio is a versatile and modern multiband radio designed for users who want a blend of traditional and internet radio features in one compact device. It supports AM, FM, Longwave, Shortwave, and SSB, single sideband reception, along with Wi-Fi and 4G connectivity, giving access to over 40,000 streaming stations worldwide. One of the standout features is its two-way frequency division sound system, which separates mid-low frequencies to a bass speaker and high frequencies to a silk dome tweeter. This setup, combined with a passive diaphragm and enclosed sound chamber, delivers pleasant, balanced audio that enhances the listening experience. The LC90 also functions as a Bluetooth 5.0 speaker and supports music playback from a TF card, adding to its versatility. Connectivity is impressive. Users can insert a 4G SIM card or connect to Wi-Fi hotspots, expanding listening options far beyond traditional radio bands. The device also offers a voice search function via a long press on the language button, making station discovery quick and easy. The keyboard features backlighting, a rare and appreciated convenience for nighttime use. Powered by a rechargeable 5,000 mAh battery and charged via Type-C USB, the LC90 is travel-friendly and reliable even during power outages. Users can also add custom stations by entering URLs directly into the radio, supporting various audio formats. While internet and FM reception are praised, some users report that the shortwave reception can be noisy and less sensitive. Overall, the LC90 offers impressive features and connectivity, making it a strong choice for global radio enthusiasts seeking both internet and traditional bands in one device. Thanks for watching our review of the best shortwave radios in 2025. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech updates and reviews. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest deals and detailed specs. Hit the bell icon to stay notified about our future videos. See you next time, and happy listening!